I would like to make a quick review on my vacuum. I just realized I had this for like 7 years, and it's one of my longest tools. I use it every single day. It's a wet and dry vacuum. Um, I'm an HVAC tech, so I use it for like on winter, which is wet, dry on summer, which is like 180-degree up in the attic. As you can see here, like I bit this thing and still like working. With this vacuum, it comes with the adapter here. Um, I don't know where it's at. I think it's in my garage. And then it comes with this long adapter here. I got it like $98 like 7 years ago. 98 or like 90. On this vacuum, you can use 20 volts or 18. There's like adapter on it. Alright. And then there's different kind of vacuum Dewalt made. The other one, I think it has an extension cord. Like you can use it for like 110 volts, outlet. This one, it doesn't have one. My hose is all ripped out. It's like all beat up, but still work. I just put some tape on it. The filter, it's still like the original filter, but still work. I would say this is very durable and it's worth it, like I don't care if it breaks within a few months now, because like I already save a lot of money. Unfortunately, with this vacuum, you can't sit on it and compared to other vacuum. And it's not heavy duty, like if you're gonna suck a lot of stuff, but you can use it for car and all those stuff. The model number is right here, and I can't believe it's made in China. They said made in China doesn't last. But I guess this is designed by Dewalt United States. All right. Very good vacuum. I really recommend this vacuum. It lasts me a long time. Very long time. And every single day I use it. Why?